This question asks us to find the slopes of a surface in two particular directions, the x direction and the y direction. So whereas a curve has only one slope, whereas a curve often has just one slope, a surface could have a multitude of different slopes depending on which direction you're talking about. And this is where partial derivatives can be useful. We'll use the partial derivative with respect to x to tell us what the slope is like in the x direction, and we'll use the partial derivative with respect to y to tell us what the slope is like in the y direction. So our first job here could be to find those partial derivatives. All right, so it looks like we're going to get negative x for f sub x. These other terms would be constant, so they'd be 0. And we'll get for f of y negative 2y. All right, fairly easy formulas to work with. Now these formulas are in general for any x and any y. So what we need is we want to plug in this particular point P. And let's find out what the slopes are like by plugging in those values. So let x equal 1/2 and let y equal 1. I get negative 1/2. And negative 2. So at the point 1/2, 1, 2, the slope of f in the x direction is negative 1/2. And it's negative 2 in the y direction.